rise to the 20th anniversary of Hair Odyssey here in the Bronx, located at 705 Nareed Avenue. And we're here with the owner, the proud owner, Virginia Slim, right?
That's me.
Virginia, let everyone know who is the owner of this wonderful establishment.
Hey, by all means, I started this business 20 years ago after working at an insurance broker, and my boss got a little, rude with me, and I was like, "You're my last boss." I went to beauty school, and I went to beauty school and did my training, and then I saw myself as an owner, as a CEO, ever since a young age anyway, so I just decided to pursue it at that point.
What's your secret?
Just do it from your heart and just love people genuinely, and you can't fail. Trust God, keep God in everything you do, and you cannot fail, I promise. When you keep God in everything you do, your clients keep coming back, and this party is for my clients. They don't know it yet, but they think it's for me, it's for them. I really appreciate each and every one of them that come to me week after week. If they're working, if they're not working, they still find a way. And most of my clients, what it is they take pride in themselves.
Exactly.
So they want to upkeep themselves and keep, looking good, so they come.
What sets you apart from other salons?
That being one, and I truly love and appreciate, I love hair. I don't just want to be a hairdresser. I want to be a cosmetologist. I strive to rejuvenate hair. I take care of hair as opposed to just putting some glue in and saying, okay, bye. No, I want to take care of your hair. Even if you're a weave wearer, I want to take care of your hair under.
What are you wearing now? Well, I got to get into your hairstyle because she is a stylist. I want to know what you're doing there.
Well, it's Indian. I don't wear pack hair. I prefer a high quality hair when I'm going to do my hair, and I encourage my customers to do the same. Sometimes it's not always necessary, but when it calls for it, then we just use it because it's much better and it just behaves better. You know what I mean? So.
Now, flowing into a little bit more serious question, I know there have been a lot of issues with the economy, as I said earlier. What were all the issues that you had to deal with, if any, different from the economy?
So far, none that I can think of off the top of my head, no.
20 years is a long time. Any struggles?
Oh, of course.
I want to know that.
There are times when you can't meet what you need to meet, and you just have to get down on your knees and pray, God, please send a way, and you have people in your life that's just understanding and just there for you. I'm not going to tell you that it's all peaches and cream because it isn't.
You've been here for 20 years. Where do you see yourself in the near future?
Yes, well, I started to do some on location here, so I'm doing more bridal, just other little things that, that takes me outside of my doors for a moment. It's still under my umbrella, so that's what I'm doing to tweak it. Sometimes when it's slow, I'm not here, maybe I'm doing a shoot, maybe I'm celebrity styling, bridal hair, etc.
Now, what type of styles do you feature here on a regular basis? Like, what do your stylists normally do here?
Well, I like the shortcuts. Short and sassy, I'll say short and sassy and extensions are our number one. We do a lot of, now because of the times changing, we do a lot of transitional hairstyles. We're getting into more natural hairstyles. We do a lot of dreadlocking and just natural hair care. I must say, without my co-star, my co-worker,
what about
Michelle? Michelle's been with me for 20 years. Who works with one person for 20 years? She's awesome. She's just really awesome. Michelle is the best, okay? She's been with me for 20 whole years. We started at the first salon, and we came here together. And she puts up with my craziness. She keeps me grounded, So I appreciate her.
It's good that you remember somebody who have been with you for so long. Here with me, Virginia Slim, the owner of Hair Odyssey 2. Hair Odyssey, I can't even speak. Hair Odyssey 2. We're going to go in, have some more drinks, have some fun. Stay tuned for the music videos here on Dancehall Connections.